Hello. Hello, potato. Good evening. Can you hear, teacher? Good evening.
Then teacher.
Okay. Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear to you? Can you hear me clearly? Yes?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good to hear. How are you today?
I'm great.
Great, that's good. What day is today, potato? Today is
There is happy.
What day? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? What day is today? Today is
Friday.
no Tuesday. Again, today is Tuesday.
There is Tuesday.
Okay, today is Tuesday. Did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Yes, that's great. Okay. So potato, last time what we had was we finished unit 2 for the movers, and then we did one part or one activity of the unit 3. Now today we are going to continue unit 3. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, that's good. All right, so here, potato, I will share to you the screen. So this was the last activity that we did. So we are done in here. Now let's move to the activity letter B. All right. So here you are going to read the short story and complete the sentences. Okay. So let's read first, potato. Let's go to Mrs. Plant's farm. Again, please read. Let's go.
On Saturday afternoon, and his sister go to help Miss friends
Mrs.
on the farm. They carry potatoes and fill all
Feed
the different animals. The chicken rides that on their
children.
back
The chicken.
because
Okay,
it is
again.
near the
Children.
children.
Good.
Right on the back
Next.
because near their home. Miss Plant had two new animals on the farm now. She got a kitten called Sunny and puppy called Silent. They both very sweet.
Okay. Now here, I have here words that I want you to read again. Wait me. Wait. Okay. This one, potato. Read the following words. What's this one?
It is Miss.
Mrs. Again.
Mrs.
Okay, next. Second word.
Potatoes.
Oh, there's S.
Onion.
Again. Potatoes.
Potatoes. Potatoes.
That's my pillow. You get the pillow. Potato. Say animals.
Animals. Children.
Children. Next.
Animals.
Animals. And
Animals.
and
Pen.
sausage.
Sausage.
Okay. Now here, let me read again, huh? Okay, here we go. Let's go to Mrs. Plant's farm. On Sunday afternoon, me and my sister Blanc go to help Mrs. Plant on her farm. They carry potatoes and feed all of the different animals. The children ride there on their bikes because it is near their home. Mrs. Plant has two new animals on the farm now. It's a kitten called Sunny and a puppy called Sausage. And they're both really sweet. So Potato, what we are going to do here is we are going to complete the sentences. Now let's read first sentence number 1. What is number 1? Please read. The
The
children
teacher go to farm
every
every Saturday afternoon.
Okay, next. How about number 2? Mrs.
Miss
Mrs. Again.
Mrs. Plant live on the farm.
Okay, Mrs. Plant lives on the farm. Let's
Plant
check.
live on the farm.
Alright, let's check. Very good. Plant is the correct answer. Next, number 3. Number 3.
The children ride them on bus.
No. Number 3, the children blank Mrs. Plants potatoes for her. What did they do? The children help. The correct answer is it's carry. Look at here. Oh, they carry potatoes. Okay, next number 4.
At the farm, the kids
Give the blank their food. Where did the kids give food? Come on. At the farm, the kids give the blank their food. Where did the kids give the food? Kids give food to the where? To the people? Did the kids give food to people? It's not people. What is it?
And the farm, the kids give kitten and puppy.
Okay. What is kitten and puppy? They are? What are they? They
Oh,
are?
Sunny and Solid.
Yeah. What is kitten and puppy? What are they? They are they people? Are they plants? Pets, or what other name do we call to pets? They are called as? They are?
Animals.
Okay, animals. Very good. Number 5. The children, please read.
And ride their back.
Oh, very good. Bikes to the farm. Next, number 6. Mrs. Please read number 6.
This kitten is called
What's the name of the kitten?
Sunny.
Very good. And number 7. The pet. What's number 7? The pet.
The pet on the farm are very. A pet on the farm is
Are very
sweet.
Very good. Good job, Potato. It means that you understand that one. Now here, Potato, do you know how to color?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to color?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, I want you to listen to the audio and then prepare your coloring materials, okay? Are you ready to listen and color? Ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
3C. Fun at the farm. Look at the picture. Listen and colour. 1,
Can I colour the sheep in this picture?
Yes. Would you like to colour it blue?
That's a funny colour for a sheep.
Yes, it is. Do you like that colour?
Yes, I do.
Okay, color number 1. All right, let's do number 2. Okay.
2,
Now colour the door for me. Can you see it?
The door of the house.
Yes, that's right.
Shall I colour it with my red pencil?
Yes. Good idea.
Okay, do number 2. All right, number 3.
3,
Can I colour the puppy now?
Yes. Which colour shall we make the puppy?
Can I make it yellow because I love that colour?
OK. I like that colour too.
All right.
What color?
Yellow.
Yellow ball.
Okay.
4,
And now, please colour the tall grass. Can you see it?
Yes, it's near the girl.
That's right. Colour that tall grass purple.
OK, I'm doing that now.
Great! Well done.
Color the tall grass purple. Tall grass. Where is the tall grass? Is it the grass? The tall one, tall. The tall grass is near the girl.
Yeah.
Okay, you're done. All right. Let's check now your answer, potato. Okay, so these are the answers. Wait, sorry. Okay, first is to color the sheep blue, correct. Next, color the door red, correct. Next, color the puppy yellow. Oh, I saw it a while ago. You color it yellow, correct. And lastly, color the tall grass purple. Very good. Look at that. Potato, very good because you were able to follow the instruction given to you. Okay, that's so good. You did it. Okay, now here, potato. I want you to look at the animals and answer the given questions. But first, what are the animals that you can see in the picture? What's the first one? What is in the first picture, potato? That is a...
It's a bird.
Oh, first picture, this one. It's a it says moo. What animal is that? It's yeah, what cow, correct. Number 2, what animal is number 2? Number 2. Yeah, what is that? Number 2.
Number 2 is parrot.
Number 3, correct. What is number 3? It's
This is bird.
bird. And number 4 is a
A butterfly.
butterfly, correct. Now here, Potato, can you tell me what can birds do? What are the actions of birds? Birds can,
And fly.
all right, birds can fly. How about butterflies? What can butterflies do? How about butterfly? Butterflies
Butterfly is fly.
can fly, not if fly. Butterflies can fly. Again?
Butterfly can fly.
Okay. How about the cow? What can a cow do?
Cow is
Cow can
cow can
the cow fly too? Can they fly? No.
no.
Oh, what are the movements of the cow? Cows can
Cow can run.
run. Very good. Cows can run. Cows can walk too. Correct. How about this one? Oh, now here, among the 4 pictures, which one is different? The birds can fly, parrot can fly, bird can fly, butterfly can fly, cow can walk. Which one is different? Not the same. It's the,
What?
which one is different?
The cow.
Why cow is different? Because
it can fly.
great job. Because the 3 animals can fly, but the cow cannot fly. So that makes the cow different. Okay, so here, all right, Potato, I have here pictures in number 1. Okay, what are the animals in the first number? Number 1, what's this?
This is lion.
A lion. This one, what is this?
This is panda.
3. This one, the third one.
This is dog.
And the 4th one, what is this?
Bat.
Okay, which one is different? The lion, the panda, the dog, or the bat?
Bat.
Okay,
Bat is-
let's check. Why bat is different? Oh, sorry. Why bat is different? Because
Because
the 3 animals.
the 3 animals cannot fly.
Okay, well, the bat can fly. Next, how about the second picture? Which one is different? Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture number 4? Which one is different? Why picture 1 is different?
And then no, picture two.
Picture 2 is different. Why picture 2 is different?
But they are sunny.
Oh,
And
because it's sunny and
because sunny.
how about picture 1, 3, and 4? What kind of weather
One,
does they
three,
have?
and four is cloudy.
Are. Again, picture 1,
Or
3, and
cloudy.
oh, very good. Picture 1, 3, and 4 are cloudy. Correct. Next, potato. How about picture 3? Which one is different? The rabbit, the shark, the whale, or the dolphin?
Rabbit.
Okay, correct. Why the rabbit is different?
Rabbit is hot and
Can hop. Again.
can hop. Rabbit can hop.
While
While dolphin, shark cannot hop.
very
They-
good. Okay, they can swim, but these rabbit cannot swim. Great job. Next, how about number 4, potato? Which one is different? Is it picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Which one is different?
Picture two.
Okay, why picture 2 is different?
But picture, but picture dog.
Hmm.
Picture 1, picture 3, picture 4 is
Are.
is a house.
Oh, are parts of the house. How about picture 2? What is picture 2? It's a?
Picture 2 now on the house.
Okay, it's not
It's
part of the house.
on
Okay, very good. It's not part of the house because it's a truck. Okay, well, picture 1, 3, and 4 are all parts of the house. Correct. Okay, now here, potato. Here. Potato, if you're an animal and you live in the sea, what kind of animal are you? If you are an animal potato that lives in the sea, what kind of animal do you want to become? I want to be.
a shark.
Oh, why do you choose shark? I want to be a shark because
Be a shark because no, I want to be a I want
I want to be a
Kiêm tiếng Anh là gì thế? Kiêm tiếng Anh là gì? Kiêm tiếng Anh là gì? Kiếm. Cái con thanh kiếm ấy. Soccer. No. Fashion. Fish kiếm là gì?
a fish. Do you want to become a fish?
No.
What is it? A dolphin? A whale? A crab?
No.
What do you want? If you live in the water or in the sea, what animal do you want to become? I want to be a...
Fish not.
Why?
But they are so strong.
Oh,
Fish not.
because they are too strong. Okay. Here, how about potato? You are not in the sea now and you are walking in the jungle or forest. Be careful. Which animal are near? Oh, if you are in the forest, what are the animals that is near to you if you are in the jungle?
And then
If you are in the jungle, what animal is near to you?
Eagle.
Eagle. All right. What else? Aside from eagle, what else? Eagle. What else? What else?
Bird.
Bird. Okay. All right. So those are
Duck.
the
Duck. Duck.
duck. Okay. How about snake? Is there a snake there?
No.
No. How about lion? Is there a lion in the jungle? How about a lion? No lion? What else?
What?
What else? What else? Give me one more animal that lives in the jungle.
Wolf.
Wolf. Oh, are you scared of wolf?
No.
Why? Oh, you're so brave. Why are you not scared of a wolf? Because why aren't you scared of wolf?
Wolf is my pet.
Ah, because wolf is your pet. Okay, so you're not scared of a wolf because wolf is your pet. Oh, potato is so brave because potato is not scared of wild animals. All right. Okay, wait me. Potato, you enter again, potato, because the Zoom is about to close. Okay, enter again. Okay.